Hello everyone, I am Massimiliano Ventura, Product Manager for crawler and wheel excavators in Europe. I am pleased to welcome you to the walkaround of our very latest addition to the case product offering, the brand new E-series wheel excavators. Here we have all the 4 new models currently available, which make up our new range of wheel excavators from 14 to 18 tons. So let's have a better look at their most important features. All the new case E-series wheel excavators are equipped with Cummins engines, with an offering very similar to the one adopted on the E-series crawler excavators. A 4-cylinder 4.5-liter engine on the models below 20 tons, capable of delivering a maximum power output of 129 kilowatts and 780 Nm torque. Cummins Stage 5 engines benefit from a compact and modular after-treatment system layout, which saves space in the engine compartment and simplifies its maintenance, as well as provide efficient combustion and PM reduction, thanks to being free from EGR, another point in common with the engines adopted on the latest crawler excavator generation, meaning also less complexity in the engine architecture. The after-treatment filter cleaning is performed automatically by the machine when needed, without any impact for the operator in a typical day of work. No downtime in order to remain always at the top of the machine's capabilities. In addition, the engine itself is fitted with a standard reversible fan to maximize the cooling efficiency and dust removal from the radiators, for which the operator can set up the reverted cycle duration and the intervals between cycles. The new wheel excavators are indeed very flexible in terms of fueling solution, allowing the use of not only biodiesel up to 20%, but more importantly, greener and more efficient alternatives made up by HVO, coming from vegetable oils, as well as other kinds of synthetic fuels like GTL from natural gas, BTL from biomasses, and CTL obtained from coal. How does the engine deliver all its power to make the wheel excavator the perfect tool to achieve a variety of tasks in as many different applications as you can think of? It's thanks to the advanced flow-sharing hydraulic system, used by all models below 20 tons, which fine-tunes the machine's behavior in every situation, shining especially during combined movements by always providing the most precise and smooth feedback to the operator. How the excavator responds to the operating input is further tailored by selecting the most appropriate power mode, where the operator can choose among 3 different settings, going from heavy duty to get the most productivity out of the machine, to standard as a balanced power output, to eco when fuel saving is the top priority. But the operator can even set up and recall a 4th user mode by tailoring independently the engine speed, idle speed, pump power and pump flow. Then let's not forget that the engine's throttle in every power mode can be manually adjusted through the jog dial by simply rotating the selector with a touch of the operator's hand. Furthermore, even the most appropriate work operation mode selector can be toggled, so to switch from parking to working to traveling mode, allowing the machine to either move and/or operate according to the task at hand. Speaking of attention to fuel consumption, it's worth mentioning the engine auto idle and auto shutdown, which can be customized in duration, with the machine also providing a real-time guidance thanks to the eco gauge, showing at a glance how much fuel efficient the excavator utilization is, as well as displaying a detailed fuel report for the last 7 days, and even by power mode and throttle position. In this way, any efficiency in the operations can be promptly corrected. The hydraulic system not only enables the operator to perform in a productive and efficient manner, but also makes his life easier by storing the settings of up to 10 different one-way hydraulic tools, like breakers, and another 10 two-way attachments, like shears. The settings themselves are not only limited to the usual maximum flow and pressure, but also the joystick activation type can be selected among push, proportional and detent options. All wheel excavators come factory fitted with a high flow circuit for 1- and 2-way tools, as well as with a quick coupler provision and all safety valves, letting customers decide whether they also want to add a low flow function and a clamshell bucket circuit, to expand the attachment's versatility. Quality and reliability can be appreciated not only in the engine and hydraulics, but even the powertrain and undercarriage support solutions which ensure that the machine is up to the toughest jobs. The 2-speed, 4-wheel drive hydrostatic transmission can be also operated at creep speed on the most challenging ground conditions, limited to 20 km/h to comply with local on-road regulations, or go at full speed up to 40 km/h on the WX140E. Furthermore, the heavy-duty axles provide a steerable solution on the front end, equipped with oscillating cylinders that can be manually or automatically blocked to enhance safety and stability. The option for fitting wider axles on the WX160E and WX175E SR is another way to improve safety and stability, especially for when the excavator works over the side in the most unstable conditions, while the optional plastic fenders, which are steerable on the front axle, provide a way to protect the machine from mud and dirt. The undercarriage enhances the overall flexibility of the wheel excavator, offering a most wide array of blade and stabilizer combinations to satisfy every application need. Not forgetting that on all models below 20 tons, the front and rear lower attachments can be easily mounted, dismounted and swapped, thanks to a bolt-on installation. Let's focus on the dozer blade, which belongs to the parallel type, thus granting range and force advantages over the radial design. In addition, the trailer hitch preparation can be fitted on models with standard axles to be applied on the rear blade, making the machine ready to tow a trailer and enabling the excavator to act as a real tool carrier. Getting into the cab and taking a seat immediately allows the driver to appreciate the spaciousness of the environment and the ease of reaching the operator station. This is thanks to the slim design of the steering column with its 2-point adjustability, the comfort of the high-back heated pneumatic seat coupled with the telescopic steering wheel, and the visibility granted by the luxurious touchscreen and a secondary display to have the camera view always on. We also have the intuitiveness and controllability offered by the joystick's functions and instrumentation cluster, where a jog dial stands out as the perfect tool to navigate the display menus and adjust the engine throttle. But let's have a closer look at many of these and other great features available in the cab. First of all, starting up the machine has never been easier, thanks to the optional smart key. No need to turn the key on and off in the ignition every time, when you can simply push a button. Joysticks come not only equipped with proportional controls and FNR switch, plus the tent activation to tailor the utilization of hydraulic tools and a button to lock the front axle. On top of that, they can also act for steering the excavator through a dedicated option. Joystick steering is only one way to make the excavator as easy and comfortable as possible to drive, because we have several other functions meant to put the operator in the most comfortable condition ever. Standard cruise control to keep constant speed while traveling, with the possibility to manually adjust the speed with the jog dial. Automatic digging brake to relieve most of the efforts in keeping the machine stopped while working. Ride control to make traveling smoother and avoid spilling a full bucket on bumpy ground, which also allows the excavator to enable the boom flotation for using a breaker more efficiently or scraping hard ground. Fine swing to better handle the machine rotation with a more precise movement, still delivering all the torque needed. We know that excellent all-around visibility is a paramount requirement for any operator to feel at ease and safe, and the new wheel excavator ensures that visibility is top-notch, thanks to the optional case maximum view monitor. 4 cameras delivering a 360 degrees view, which not only fully captures the machine's surroundings, but embeds human detection technology too, warning the operator if someone gets too close to the work area. Visibility can be ensured in any weather and light conditions, relying on parallel windshield wipers, no fear for rain or snow, and LED lights to brightly illuminate the area in front of and behind the excavator. Visibility pairs with safety, and the new excavator excels also from that perspective, starting with the outstanding head protection embodied by FOPS Level 2, to the swing lock that can be used to avoid unwanted rotations in confined spaces, to the hydraulic auto safety lock to prevent impromptu movements, to the rear radar on conventional tail models, adding that extra layer of safety, which always pays off. Maintenance is going to be always within the operator's reach, to be performed easily, quickly and safely, either at ground level or onto the upper structure. A standard electric refuel pump makes filling the fuel tank faster and it can be stopped manually or automatically, while the AdBlue tank provides an easy access for refilling and is also equipped with an overload warning. Fuel filters are designed to last for 1000 hours, while oil engine and oil filter can be replaced after 800 hours. The long-life standard hydraulic oil is meant to last for 5000 hours, but customers can instead opt for paneling biodegradable oil in order to fit the excavator with an eco-friendly alternative, which still ensures excellent performances and longevity. The air intake efficiency can be optimized by relying on the optional cyclonic self-cleaning prefilter, while cooling performances are granted due to the stacked cooling module design, engineered to be reliable also under severe stress, aided by the electronically controlled reversible fan. Servicing the machine is meant to be performed efficiently, not only at ground level, but also while standing on the upper structure, where the engine hood can be opened with ease, making it possible to run all daily engine checks from a single point. The optimization of the excavator's uptime can be appreciated on booms and arms as well, where reinforced pins and bushings facilitate a more time and cost-efficient maintenance with 250-hour greasing intervals. The arm, on all models and for all lengths, is always fitted with reinforcement bars to keep the dipper protected from wear and scratches. Last but not the least, even the cab floor mat is made by two pieces, so that it can be quite easily removed and cleaned. A little touch to emphasize the attention to details which the new E-Series wheel excavators are full of. KZ Series wheel excavators are thus the perfect combination of productivity, versatility, comfort and efficiency to expand your business into new horizons. Thanks for watching!